and this time I'm behind the scenes. So I bought some bundles and a wig from off of Sam's Beauty. So I'm assuming that everything came together. So let's find out what is in here. I'm so excited. It came pretty quickly because I just placed the order last week and today's Saturday. So I guess the first item, yeah, they are, everything is together. The first item I see was my free gift. So let's see what it is. I already see some bobby pins, some lashes, a little pouch thing. So let's open it. It's too bad you can't get to see my reaction because I was not camera ready and I was trying to fix up my hair to be camera ready, and I was losing patience. So I'm like, yeah, just no. Oh, there. Here we go. Alright, so first thing we have is this pouch. It says purse kit. Let's see if there's anything in it. No, nothing. All we have is the paper to stuff it. Okay. Moving on, we have a cleaning sponge, or cleansing sponge, more than likely for your face. Let's see now. We have the lashes. Look a little small. I don't know. And then we have, what is this? Hair cleanser and conditioner with olive oil for dry hair. Okay. And what, the face mask? Let me see. Moisturizing facial mask restores critical moisture to dry skin. And then I think the last thing that's in here is the bobby pins, right? Because I was trying to figure out, like, is that a pen or is it an eyeliner? It is a eyeliner, eye and lip liner pencil. Okay, from Joy in the color black. And then you have a comb and your bobby pins. So not bad, not bad, not bad at all. I mean, they didn't have to give you anything at all aside from your order. So it's nice that they decided to just sprinkle a little something in there. Okay. So next up, we're gonna go directly to the wig. Ooh la la, ooh la la. So invisible lace 13x6. They say it's pre-plucked brown HD lace. I got it in the color, well, the style Athena in the color, this one, blonde. So I was thinking to wear this tonight, but I am really not in the mood to go out, and then I don't know, I might just quickly go put this wig on my head and go through the door because I really want to wear it. But at the same time, I'm not in the mood to deal with nobody. Like, I don't know if it's gonna be loud and crowded. But let's take it out. And I might plop it on my head and then turn the camera on me so you could see. Okay, 1 second, let me remove the hair and then come back to you. Look at that right now, please. Excuse me, I'm just opening stuff up. Okay. Whoa, potato. Whoa, potato. And you know, typical thing when you get the wigs, they always feel so soft and nice. Did the ring light go out? No, I think the light on the camera went out. But it suddenly got dimmer. So the hair feels nice and soft, as it should. I mean, it's brand new. Until I get it all knotted up, so. And it's pretty thick. So let's see. So this is what the inside of the cap looks like. So you're gonna have some parting space on the front. And Luca is already busying herself with the the little mesh cap that came with the hair. At least she's keeping herself occupied so she doesn't have to bother me right now. Now I'm gonna start this off by saying ignore the color on my lips. Remember how I said I was trying to get camera ready and it didn't work out? Put on the wrong shade. So I tried to fix it with another shade and it just kept looking more and more like crap. So the blonde isn't really looking too bad. And the lace, I want to say look, because especially like right here, I feel like it looks like skin in a way. So yeah, let me use that comb that it came with and try to do some parts right now. It's a good thing I have a comb, right? But I will come back another time and style it. Because I think it'll definitely look good once I'm all dolled up, makeup, lashes, or even just freaking lashes. Because you know how lashes makes a world of difference. Let me took under the extra lace. So it's not like just hanging down so much. Okay, so let's see what I can achieve. Look, no, mommy already cleaned today. I don't want you ripping up any paper. Give that to me, please. Come here. But nah, you're not about to be ripping up no damn paper today. At least give my cleaning 2 to 5 business days to expire. Don't mess my stuff up right after I'm done. Let's see if we can get all the blonde over to the left. I mean to the right. I guess not, because there's still more here. I don't know. I've never had a blonde of this shade, and the fact that I'm looking at these ugly ass freaking lips, it's not making it any better for me, because I freaking hate my lips. But I wasn't in the mood to try to go and find any. That's why I didn't want to show my face to begin with, because I'm like, oh, these lips. No. Could put everything back now and pick a middle part. Using the camera as my mirror to do a center part. See if we do a center part, this is what it would look like. So this is what we're working with. I seriously need to see myself with some lashes and a different lip color to see if I can really rock the hair, because it looks funny right now to me. Not really feeling it. Let's switch back to the back camera so we can take a look at the bundles, because girl, not feeling the hair right now. I'm not feeling the blonde. And these lips, can't stand the lips. I can't stand looking at myself right now. So back to the bundles. another pair of lashes. Cool. So is it still, let me see, is it the same? What was the one I talked about last time? Dairy, no, something clean. I'm wondering, I don't think it's the same brand of here, but the box looks the same. Here is the, what is this, the closure? I think it was a closure. Organic can bleach and dye, live cuticle, natural hair, tangle free, chemical free, long lasting. Where one thing I can say about human hair, even the other human hair that I bought, it was pretty good. I need to buy another closure because the one that I had on that little wig that I made for the first time is a no-no. So this is the 10-inch. Oh, Diva Queen. It is the same brand, Diva Queen. Never mind. No wonder the packaging is the same. Diva Queen. It's a 10-inch, 8-inch. Yeah. And I'm assuming a 12-inch, right? Yeah, 12-inch. One thing I can say about these here is they are very soft. And even after taking it down, it's still soft. Because remember that wig that you've seen me wear before? The parting one fixed because I said it was a little piece of closure or whatever the hell that I had. So I need to like pull apart that part of the wig, take off that closure and put on a new one. But yeah, from experience I know that this brand up here is very soft and nice, and you can use it multiple times. So my thing is I'm not gonna do any more sewings because it's a no for me. My hair, no, I'll just make a wig with it. And yeah, and you have a wig cap. Yeah, you get 2 wig caps. And then let me look at this now. Closure. Yeah, the other one was a frontal. That's what it was, because the closure is the one that lets you part the hair anywhere. Well, the frontal can be just a middle part or wherever the hell you put it. See if I can. There we go. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was going to be more or longer. So this can be the parting space compared to before. It was just like something like this, and then the hair around it, and I'm like, yeah, no, and no. So I can part it here, so wherever, and wear it. How long is this? I feel like this is what, probably like an 8-inch or something. And here, as you can see, curly and nice. And yeah, it doesn't really have a smell. Do you see the length here? Let me see. I don't see a length anywhere. I'd have to check my order again. So 4x4, oh, 10-inch. It's right here. If my phone will focus. Alright, so next I'm going to add some clips of me wearing the wig after it has been styled. I must tell you, it sheds like crazy. So I can honestly say that it has gotten thinner than when I unboxed it, but it looks really nice. Now, if you look carefully, you can see this is the very first night that I got the wig. It is very thick here, and then it just gradually got thinner.